Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a new series from Hotwheels. It's Fast and Furious Villains. It's not a premium series, but not mainline either, so it's lost somewhere between them. I like the card, and we got the villain cars here. And the first one that I've got is 1966 Ford 427 Fairlane. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Ford Fairlane out of its box, and I must say the paint looks good on it. And I like the theme with the paint and everything's blacked out. Looks really good. I also like the wheels. They look pretty close to what you originally see on these cars. And as I said, it sits somewhere between the mainline and the premium. So you got nice details like these nice wheels, detailed headlamp, turn indicators, detailed tail lamp. But again, misses out on premium features like rubber tires and metal base. So it looks from the bottom. So let's start from the front. Good details up front. You've got detailed headlamp, turn indicators, blacked out bumper and blacked out grille. You can see the small bulge in the hood, suggesting it has got bigger engine. No mirrors. I don't know why. They could have done just one on side. It's a two-door car, but it's got rear bench too, apart from the front seats. This is how it's on the driver's side. It's also got the detailed door handle, in a good addition. Coming to the back, detailed tail lamp, blacked out bumper. Looking for exhaust steps, can't find those. I see the exhaust coming here, but I don't know where the exhaust tips are after that. This is how it looks on the top. I like the paint. I really like the paint. It looks really good. And I can't remember which villain drove this. There's so many Fast and Furious movies. So overall, I think it's a nice casting. Looks really good. Should you get one? Of course. It doesn't matter if you like Fast and Furious movies or not. It's a good casting. Has got good details. So, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.